Will Stoick ever return in How to Train Your Dragon The Hidden World, or is he actually gone for good? On IMDb, he's the second most voiced person, but that can change. I have a feeling that he is actually still alive. I know we saw him getting burned on the ship in the second, I think it was 10-20 minutes of the second movie, and we also see that I have a feeling that that Stoick is not dead. I have a feeling that he might have survived and actually is going to go back to Berwick in the third movie, maybe with a huge new dragon that has never been seen before, or maybe it is something completely different, but I'm pretty sure maybe he's going to be there, or maybe he's going to be in flashbacks of memories from Hiccup, maybe Valka, and they might actually talk about Stoick from the past. And what else could there be about him? He was the chief, maybe he's returning and lets Hiccup be the chief and he might retire with Valka, or maybe he's helping Hiccup with being a chief like Valka might doing too. I don't think that Stoick is completely gone. I have a feeling that he is returning in the third movie. I am sure that the employees is making something happening to Stoick. It would be interesting to see him return and maybe have a new dragon as his pet. It's most interesting thing ever is that whenever we think a person has passed away and they actually return, that's a thing that I really like to see, because that means that there's maybe hope still for something like that. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next video, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.